Nzenfa chenjoyo chimanyi vamubyo kwe kunyanga nzenfa chenjoyo chilina webale wanekero muko yo mgama mtawagana bange, it's your boy Victor's Ginger Boy Oliku SMX Media, and keep it up, don't change the dial.
So the lady, she wanted to get fame on me, such kind of things. And I was like, not interested in those things. Like, oshagela myra, like, umani kati tugeze onjagala, myra no kristori umwale umlala. Like, onjagala nkwagala flower. Nenga manti kati flower nkwagala. Like, imanzi kusubila nti onjagala rakubo onjagala ko linyali yange. Oba toina kunjagala, you have to love me genuine. Like toina kunjagala nti, I love Pretty Nicole because she's a celebrity. I want Pretty Nicole because I want to get fame too. I want Pretty Nicole because I want this and this. But the lady used to want, to love me. Kuransonga, she wanted her accounts okukula to be boosted. She wanted to be known celebrity, Because at times, many people have come in too close to me when they're telling me, Pretty, twagala tubelechi, twagala tukola interviews ku TV, jango chali ku NBS, jango chali smile ku TV, but I, nengana, that lady katwa wala musanyuka TV, bali bagala ku hosting, but I refused. Why I rejected their interview? Because abantu abamusinti no buli muntu akuta ku interview mbo abakwagala, just bo bagala mawulire, So naye yakola nakola babila ebintu bye yakola like oyagenda kati kalakata ne kosa bichi the actually akakubela getting a fame, and even she was
Ebikyeyongera okubeera nga biva owa Pretty Nicole si birungi naddala ku nsonga ebaddewo ey'okubeera nga yadduse mu maka ga maama nga baliyongera okubeera nga bamunoonya, kyokka ate ne tufuna akatambi akalala nga akokota oli omukyala yasooka okubeera nga amuyamba. Byonna bikuleetera mukane n'akatambi osobole okulaba updates ku Pretty Nicole. Omanyi Pretty Nicole yafuna sympathy mu bantu era najja n'ayagalwa nnyo abantu olw'ekyo ekyamutuusibwako kafuta yagenda mu kkomera n'asaavinga ebbanga lye yalina okubeera ng'asaavinga n'avaayo, naye sofa amawulire galina engeri gatambulira ku Pretty Nicole agatali malungi to the extent nti abantu paka kati bakyayagala okubeera nga banoonya results za Pretty Nicole zaababula. Buli omu yapostinga ze yawuliramu ne Pretty Nicole ze yandibadde ng'afuna. Naye nika sinnababeera nga nkuteerako akatambi kanene kankwebaze gwe yasubscribinga SMX Media nti okola kyamaanyi n'ate nakubeera ng'osubscribing amikankusaba busubscribing tojja kubeera ng'omisinga updates naddala nga zino. Nkujjukize nti concert tusigazaayo emu, first born concert ya Lydia Jasmine gye tugenda okubeera ku Hotel Africa. Akatambi keekano.
So the lady, she wanted to get fame on me, such kind of things. And I was like, not interested in those things. Like, oshagela myra, like, umani kati tugeze onjagala, myra no kristori umwale umlala. Like, onjagala nkwagala flower. Nenga manti kati flower nkwagala. Like, imanzi kusubila nti onjagala rakubo onjagala ko linyali yange. Oba toina kunjagala, you have to love me genuine. Like toina kunjagala nti, I love Pretty Nicole because she's a celebrity. I want Pretty Nicole because I want to get fame too. I want Pretty Nicole because I want this and this. But the lady used to want, to love me. Kuransonga, she wanted her accounts okukula to be boosted. She wanted to be known celebrity, Because at times, many people have come in too close to me when they're telling me, Pretty, twagala tubelechi, twagala tukola interviews ku TV, jango chali ku NBS, jango chali smile ku TV, but I, nengana, that lady katwa wala musanyuka TV, bali bagala ku hosting, but I refused. Why I rejected their interview? Because abantu abamusinti no buli muntu akuta ku interview mbo abakwagala, just bo bagala mawulire, So naye yakola nakola babila ebintu bye yakola like oyagenda kati kalakata ne kosa bichi, Like getting a fame. And even she was a she was a bisexual lady. Naye byatwawula yansinika mitwalo gye esatu nengana ogenda ku lives nanyiga munaye Flower agulile. Let me tell you because of my friend, yeah. You see, as a lady, Elia Jagala finds in and it was a Jagala because I told her that she loved me, but Bella used to say that, but for real, this lady loved me. That's me in my thoughts. No, those anger went but the lady, of course. Flower nga tuzembya ddala ekyo what man, those are babies on me bana bato munzi, like they are not young nga wengamba, but mu kintu ekikwatagana ne TikTok oba fame, they are kids, just bana batoye mu kintu ekikwataganiwa ne fame, because like nze Flower nze omuntu agamba kati kanjiwe account yange nkyanjiggulewo naye ne bukyanga account yange edduse mugedde setegedde. So this account of mine, I think I can spending out only 1 month plus 2 weeks to 1 week. Yeah, I think that. But sina budde bwabo. Omukyala mbadde gamba yajja nangamba simanyanga. You know, she used to pretend that she loves me. So the moment that she used to pretend njagala nakola ki nga yanjagalako kumbe content yali nga njagalako content mukuliza account but ekyewunyisa namukuliza account kati twayawukanye tulina ku account yange yakamala week emu 1 month plus 1 week to 2 weeks. Olabe yange jeri kuyiyo labo basigena musanga singa yeli mu million I think, but even when she bikuru naye ekyatwawukanya ali anjagalako content. She bought me data for 30k yansinika emitwalo asatu ngule data, then I rejected to go on her live kuba yangula data nkole live naye because she used to want those lives ngajagalako content like following likes, you know. So kati wenagana ogenda ku bi live nanyiga yomba you girl nayomba bichi what nayomba bingi, and of which the lady, she's a recipient, you know. They can't clap my fellow woman, you know. So hi Mbubandwa Bagama Dr. Kruthum Mbubandwa Dr. Basil. They don't know that even I'm in touch with Dr. Kruthum Basil, and nothing they can do there because Dr. Kruthum, she got married to my uncle, you know. But anyways, I want to meet them, but I love you. Ebakolashi ebansobera mbalabulabi nembaleka sabo tebalina byakola ma. Just they are trying to tarnishing my name, but the more they tarnish it, the more like my bland jagentinga mo okubera build it. So nai abo tebalina byakola abo bana kunze, though they talk what I watch. Yeah, bana kunze zendi. My name is very big. It's which man of and the person who does something from here next to Kawana, you know, she got out